Hello beautiful people. So in today's video we have Boxycharm, well, IPSY and Boxycharm. Today I'm going to start with IPSY because I've seen so many Boxycharm videos, and mostly because everyone's been getting Tarte Rainforest of the Sea palettes, and I wanted to know because I recently did a Tarte haul, so I needed to see if I was going to get one, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure what I'm going to get, So let's do IPSY. Ooh, it came with like a big giant booklet. Oh, it's IPSY. It's promoting IPSY Glam Plus, which I'm not going to sign up for that. So I like what I'm getting. Yes. So the first thing is from $1 Billion Brushes, and it looks like this is a foundation brush. So I do not know if $1 Billion is cruelty free or not. This is really soft, like extra soft. Ooh, it's nice. So we'll see. Probably shouldn't have done that, but we'll check. This is the super cute bag that it came in. It doesn't seem like it's super full, but the first thing we have is Naked Cosmetics. Woo! And it's a loose eyeshadow, heavy metal. I think it's just called Heavy Metal HE04. And that's what it looks like. It's like a very beautiful copper shade. I haven't really seen anybody's IPSY bags or sneak peeks or anything, so that one looks fun. I know Naked Cosmetics is cruelty free. Whoa, this is fluid. Elsewhere, like a blue tinted clear gloss, it seems. So that's cool. My desk is still full of stuff. All the stuff that I got, I'm gonna put over here. Then we have, ooh, this one says cruelty free. Skin & Co. Toffee Therapy Polishing Micro Exfoliating Toffee Face. So here on the back of that mask, or that face scrub, this is cruelty free, so that's good for us. And I was gonna open it, but it doesn't. I won't open anything I'm not gonna use right away. It says Polish Micro Exfoliating Toffee Face Gomage. I'm not really sure. Toffee Face Thermega. Gomega is enriched with ground apricot kernels to gently and naturally buff away dry and dull skin. So I'm excited about that. I love exfoliators, so I will keep that. And then the last thing, ooh, Tarte Amazonian Clay 24-hour face coverage. So, and my foundation shade is in the shade Light Natural. I'm gonna open it just for my sake. I can see if the color's too dark. Probably is gonna be. Yes, it looks like it will be. That's the shade of the Amazonian Clay foundation. I will have to pass that along because it is way too dark for me. Well, maybe not. Here, I'm putting it on my chin right here. I don't have a lot of makeup on or foundation. I'm actually going to keep that and try it. I could pass it along if it ends up being up too dark, but I've noticed in my foundation journey of picking new foundations is that I actually have a little bit darker skin because I have undertones that are different. So I always think I'm like super pale when I'm actually not so pale on my face compared to my rest of my body. So alright, so that is the end of the IPSY bag. This bag kind of has a sound to it, but it's really pretty and cute. So that was IPSY so far. Things that I know that are cruelty free are 3 in that. Oh, I forgot to mention, if you are new to these videos with me, my lips are all lip-sided. How fabulous. So if you are new to these videos with me with Boxycharm and IPSY, I go through all the box in my bag and see what I got and help you learn to see what brands are cruelty free and what are not. So let's move on to IPSY, to Boxycharm. So it's Boxy and Chill is the name of this box. So the first thing I got is Biagio. Everyone's been getting this, and this is cruelty free. This is just like a leave-in conditioning spray, so I might pass this along to somebody because I have a leave-in conditioner that I use all the time, and it's like full size, so I could probably pass this on to somebody. But this is a decent size. This is 2 fluid ounces. Smells nice. I mean, is what it is. And then I got the long-lasting liquid lipstick from Ofra, and people are saying the packaging is different, and they are. So this is the old Ofra packaging. It's all black and sleek, and then this is the new one. So now, if you have been with me for a while, I'm not a big fan of liquid lipsticks, but Ofra actually has a really great formula if you want to do it's more of a whipped formula. But this is the shade. It's Havana Nights, and this Ofra is cruelty free, and this is $20. I'm like totally not in focus. Ofra is cruelty free. So then I got something other people haven't said. I got the $1 Billion Brows, a universal pencil. So we have 2 $1 billion things, a brush, but this one's from IPSY and this is from Boxycharm. So this one is in the shade Universal Brow Pencil. I'm actually excited about that. I like getting brow pencils. Ooh, that looks like it could be a good shade for me. There. It keeps focusing on this jar right here, my camera, so I like have to scoot over and have my head in the way of it so it stays focused on me. So that's really cool. I'm really excited to see if $1 Billion Brow is, and I believe that it is. So I got the Tatcha face masks. I am not going to do these on camera, but I'm excited for them. There's 2 of them, and Tatcha is cruelty free. It's awesome. I've checked it multiple times because I want to use their dewy skin mist. Yeah, I'm excited for these. I love getting masks and stuff. I just set them aside and do them whenever I want to. So the next thing is, where did I put that actual one that I was going to talk about? Can I just leave it in here? So the next thing is the Tarte Amazonian Tarte Rainforest of the Sea palette volume 3. So which one did I get? There was 3 that they were sending out. Ooh. I got the volume 3. And this one is all shimmers, which I'm okay with. A lot of people are getting upset about that, but I do not care. So I recently did a Tarte haul because they had stuff that was 70% off. And I did not get duplicate palettes. So this is the one that I bought. It has this back, and then this is the one that they sent me. So I have 2 palettes now. I'm just slowly building my Tarte collection up, and I love Tarte products. They are like uber cruelty free. Tarte is cruelty free, and I'm so excited to get those palettes, to have 2 palettes now. That's really cool. I love their packaging. These are super beautiful palettes, and I will definitely get a lot of use out of them. So let's go ahead and double check $1 Billion Brow. I will show you. So here on my phone, I have like stuff saved in Google, and that you can, I just go to the sites that says, use the ethicalelephant.com, and then I will just type in like the brand that I want to know. So the brands we're checking today that we don't know for sure are $1 Billion, and this one I'm not even sure what it is, the Fluid. Yeah. So $1 Billion is cruelty free. It took me to their website, and it tells me about like the history of them, and it says that they are they're always cruelty free and vegan, charcoal infused makeup brush line, stuff like that. So yeah, that's cool to know. So then I'm gonna look up this brand, and I'm not sure I've even heard of it. So it's created with the belief that makeup is a tool of transformation and a powerful means of self-actualization. Cruelty free always. 5% is donated to LGBTQ health and advocacy organizations. So this is cruelty free, and it has a lot of cool backstory on it with the donation and stuff. So that's cool. So everything Wait, God, it's cruelty free! Yay! Ding, 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 ding. Go, Boxycharm and IPSY. Everything is cruelty free. Now, as we're going into 2019, you will start to see more and more brands be cruelty free. It's just a more of a thing people need to start doing because it's important, people. So everything that we got this month is cruelty free. I'm so excited to announce that. And Boxycharm is $21 a month plus some tax, and IPSY is $10 a month plus some tax. So they just recently, both of them have like a plus box. So IPSY pretty much went to Boxycharm, and Boxycharm went like one step further. So that's my notice. But I'm not gonna change it at all. I'm not gonna change to any of those because I like what I have, and so far I'm pretty much stuck with the Allure Beauty Box. I don't really like that. I do not know how to cancel. I can't sign into my thing. So if anyone has any tips and tricks on what to do, I'm trying to call them, but I can't find a phone number. So I'm like really confused. I was really hesitant to sign up for it, but last month they had the Ofra highlighter and the Juvia's Place palette, and it sucked me in, but now I'm like stuck and I don't know what to do. So we'll see if it ever gets canceled. Alright guys, that's the end of this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye!